Ideas Worth Sharing with Alan Taylor. This is my reincarnation app. It's called Birth, Death, and Rebirth. I'll go through it really quickly. But basically, when you find the page, it looks like this. It just asks you to type in your birthday, so let's go ahead. And I was born on June 1st, 1995. No, just kidding, 84. All right, and let's see what this does. Okay, so we start at the beginning, and it goes back 5 lifetimes ago when I was born as, believe it or not, this person who was born in 1626, died 1677. There's a brief Wikipedia bio, and then there's an afterlife message. I wrote all of these, but it tells you basically exactly what happened in the afterlife. And then you go through, and it goes through all 5 lives up until the life you're currently living. So you're this person from these dates, then you're this person from these dates. It's also a great way to kind of discover Wikipedia, I found, since I've been working with this. I tried to make these messages humorous. Really, the whole point to me was having a funny story that the user can experience that's also personal. So I really was focusing on the story element of this. So we go all the way through to the last person, Anthony Blunt, who died in 1983. And then I had this afterlife experience. And then after that happened, after they died in 83, I was then born as myself in 1984. Very funny, very shareable. I'm biased, of course. So let's go to the code. Basically, I have these random messages. There's an array of 40 random messages that I wrote. It did take a while, but it was a lot of fun writing. And then there's this event handler. When you click the submit button, it puts the birth year in local storage, and then it slides up, which is that animation you saw. It sets this object called data. That data object is going to be filled with all of our Wikipedia people. There will be 5 Wikipedia people that we put into that. And then we run the get person, which then goes and makes the AJAX call down here that I had to use. I had to go into server.js to do because Wikimedia, which is the API for Wikipedia, is not public. So I had to do some Node.js with the help of Fabio. He was great, but was able to get the Wikimedia calls and then package them into those 5 objects. We go back into the app. We got our objects from the Wikipedia call, and then basically just update the DOM with the person's birth date, death date, picture, and Wikipedia bio, and then append a one of their after-death messages. And that's basically it. So that's my app. It was a lot of fun to write. You can find me on GitHub here, and I hope you enjoy it. So reincarnation app, it's the new thing, and I think it's going to be a pretty big deal in the future. Thank you. This is Alan Taylor.